The jury of 6 men and 3 women deliberated for just under 3 hours in a civil battery and defamation case against Donald Trump that had been brought forward by Carroll, a former newspaper columnist who alleged that Trump raped her in a department store in the 1990s and then defamed her when he was denying those claims. The jury rejected the claim that Trump raped Carroll, but did find him liable for sexual abuse and defamation, awarding her $5 million in punitive damages and compensation. This was a case about liability, not about guilt, since it was a civil trial, meaning Carroll's legal team needed to prove her claims by a preponderance of the evidence and not beyond a reasonable doubt. The charge of battery was brought up under a recently adopted New York law that allows adult survivors of sexual abuse to sue their alleged attackers, regardless of the statute of limitations. Carroll's team presented 11 witnesses, including 2 friends, who testified that they were told about the alleged incident right after it took place. Trump's team, however, did not present a witness in this trial, and Trump himself did not testify, though his deposition was played, where he was presented with the notorious Access Hollywood tape by lawyers, something he chalked up to, quote, locker room talk. In the past, he argued that the claimant was, quote, not his type, but after the verdict was released on Tuesday, he claimed on his social media site he didn't know who Carroll was, calling this, quote, a witch hunt. Carroll did not speak as she walked out of court on Tuesday, passing by the media with a smile on her face. Now, Trump, a 2024 presidential candidate, said he would appeal the verdict no matter the outcome. And again, because this is a civil case, Trump has not been convicted of a crime and does not face the risk of any further sentencing. Reggie Cicchini, Global News, Washington.